I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
चलो पहुंच गए हैं BW को। डिसेंट रखना है आज, छिचोरापना नहीं करना है, सब ऑर्डर में करना है, एंजॉय करना है, बट वेरी डिसेंटली, वेरी डिसिप्लिन वे में।
The next day.
So good morning and hello YouTube, and I'm at IBW Chikaldhara MTDC, and this is the view from my balcony. Pretty insane, I'd say. Amazing location. Everyone tells me I should come here during the rainy season again. You can see there's a crazy valley kind of formation there, and you have this beautiful vantage point from where you can get a bird's eye view of the sunrise and also the ghats and everything. So I'll be going there later on and showing you guys the view from there. Very sunny now. We partied like hard yesterday. We danced like crazy. We did a lot of stuff, and it was very good. The organizers here, everybody, and the event itself, and arrangements for people to go back once they partied. Everything was sorted, everything was set. Really had a great time. So today we have some interactive sessions. I am giving a little bit of interactive session about motovlogging scenes here in India, and we also have a couple other speakers like Rohit Upadhyay, the guy who's done a 25,000 kilometers ride from UK to Iran, if I'm not wrong, and he's my roommate over here. And all in all, had a great time yesterday, looking forward to a great time today, and later on we have a ride and all, and tomorrow we'll be heading back to Nagpur and then Hyderabad. So let's see what all I can cover today. So this is the parking place for the vehicles. Yesterday it was all full. Now people are slowly coming in. It's lunchtime. Very hot here. Couple of ninjas. Saw some very rare bikes yesterday, like the Honda Valkyrie. It's a 2015 model. Very rare. Behind there is the Tiger I rode on. It's all by Triumph. The schedule of the thing.
So to start off with, motovlogging literally translates to talking while riding. Vlogging is generally when you're looking at the camera and talking. Motovlogging is when you look at the camera while doing any action sports. It'll be riding, skiing, some people do ice skating, whatever, and you talk while doing so. My biggest motto, like why I ride, what I love the most about riding is you forget all your troubles, you forget all your whatever. You're a student, you're working, you have a business, it doesn't matter. Whatever problems, whatever, you just leave all that behind. You head out on the open road and you
बहुत मज़ा आया, स्पेशली सबसे मिल के इधर घूम के फिर के। ऑनेस्टली बोल रहा हूँ मैं, क्योंकि राइड का भी मज़ा आया मगर राइड से ज़्यादा जो राइड में जितना मज़ा आया यहाँ के पहुँच के कल रात में 2-3 घंटे में मतलब इतनी पार्टी कर लिया बैगन 1 महीने 2 महीने से नहीं हुई थी वैसी पार्टी अपनी काम में इसमें बैलेंस करने में कहाँ से होता लास्ट अब हमारे ख़ानदान में शादियाँ भी नहीं हो रही शादियों में तो ज़रा मरफूम पे प्रैक्टिस तो भी रहती है ज़्यादा देर नाच सकते अपने यहाँ कल नाचते 1-2 घंटे में हू हा तो मज़ा आ गया खैर IBW में और बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है अभी आगे गोवा में तो होने वाला है उधर भी अपन जाके अंगार लगा देना है चीज़ हमारे पाशा वही जरूर
Small gift. This was some tomato juice, and trust me, the food was so tasty that you will forget the Indian masala food.
Fuck. नहीं मगर यहाँ रखने से you won't be able to see any scenery, so we can do that there. So we'll just take a U-turn. Oh, this is the spot now. Holy fuck, just look at this view. Okay, so in all that shooting, me and Tanveer bhai missed the starting of the ride, so they just left and we'll have to go ahead, catch up with them. Me and Rohit were supposed to lead the ride, but let's just go ahead, catch up with them. And it's gonna be a small 4-5 kilometers ride across Chikaldhara. That's all. Tanveer bhai is sitting behind me. Group, I don't think it's a good idea to barge to the front because the road is very narrow. So let's just tail. Damn, that's one long line. A lot of people miss this because they left early. We're leaving tomorrow morning back to Nagpur and then Hyderabad. This is leading the ride. So anyhow, as is gonna be one of the last vlogs. Raat mein again we are partying, and party ka vlog I can't make because legal purposes. So a genuine thank you to IBW and also Triumph, and I had a great time. I had a different experience this time, and it was all good. The talking sessions, the parties, the ride out, everything, and alhamdulillah, no casualties or any accidents. So it was really safe as well. We all had a great time and we all had a lot of fun, and I hope IBW keeps organizing these rides. And most importantly, the venue, MTDC Chikaldhara, that was amazing as well. Very beautiful in the middle of the mountains. No cellular network, but I guess there's a small sacrifice we can make to enjoy. All the people are gathered around. Goa is gonna be even crazier now. The main party in Goa somewhere in November. So yeah, we finished. Did the ride and the event and everything, and there was arrangement. If anyone had too much beer, they had an option to take a car and go back, as we were not letting them ride when they were intoxicated. That was an excellent move. Squids everywhere. Squid. And we're very strict about the helmets and the gear policy, and I've never been to IBW Goa before. IBW gaya hi nahi main, as you all know, I go to very few events, and this was amazing. Just look at that lineup. Yeah, I couldn't record much of the event itself, as we were partying most of the time and we were partying hard, and the talking sessions would get a bit boring. I'll get the footage from IBW later, but yeah, the biggest highlight was last night's party. It was just crazy. It was unvloggable, so you guys know how much fun we had. So yep, amazing gathering of bikers. I met a lot of people, and I think this is all what biking is all about, brotherhood. Just look at that line, man. So I'm not gonna bore you guys out with more of my awesomeness on this ride. And yeah, a lot of people asking this question that this is Mumbai Ka Nikhil's Tiger. See, this is not Mumbai Ka Nikhil's Tiger. This is Triumph's Tiger. This is Triumph's demo bike, Triumph's bike which they give out for events and all. So for this event, as I was on board, I was given the option to ride here either on my bike or on the Triumph, and of course I chose the Triumph because I wanted to see
how it handles and all on the highway and on the hills. So I had a great time, and yep, lovely bike. So let's just carry on with the rally, go round and round. As in all hill stations, the descent is always crazier. Capture that. The descent is always crazier than the ascent. So you can see some crazy views, and the lineup of bikers is just mo dal diye na bhai, hangama kar de re bhai. Just lovely. We're doing like a small circle here. Clicking some pictures and videos, and people revving the hell out of their bikes. Don't do that. Don't do that. Damn. Don't do that, guys. Circle में circle बना रहे, so that we can shoot crazily some crazy scenes in this ground. क्या बात है.
My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes.
This chutiapa should not be done. But no matter how much you tell people, they'll do it anyways until they blow their engines. Fuck it.
आज डीजे नहीं है क्या?
नहीं, आज नहीं है. Where is Tanveer? The fuck, where is Tanveer? The selfie craze.
Welcome, we can pump up the music a little, but everything will shut by 10 today, so yeah, that was it. Right? Thanks guys. भैया म्यूजिक चाहिए था ना. ए फोटो हो गया ना.